Hello guys, what is going on, and welcome to another video tutorial. In this tutorial guys, what I will be doing, or rather teaching you how to do, is how you can do a 360 in Asphalt 9 Legends. But before I get into that guys, as you can probably hear, I do have a bit of a cold at the moment, which does mean, as you can hear, that I have a bit of a more nasally tone of voice. Just bear with me guys, please excuse me for the time being. However, in this video I'll try to explain everything the best I can. Sadly, I won't be able to show you directly how to do it, since for some reason in that mission screen recording, or rather screen mirroring, tends to randomly shut off. So I'll be explaining it from the menu, and as you can see currently I am in the menu to play the second mission in San Francisco, which is pretty much the second mission after the tutorial. And in this mission you will have the tutorial of how to do a 360. Now, in previous missions you will have learned how to drift. You have a dedicated drift button in the bottom left of your screen, and what you actually want to do a 360 is to double tap that button, and by double tapping that button your car will do a 360 spin in whichever direction. And once it does that, you will lose a bit of speed. However, you will gain a bit of a nitro charge, and you can use it repeatedly to get several nitro charges, which means when you actually charge it up fully, you can use a nitro shockwave, which will just blast you forward ahead of your opposition. And that is pretty much it. Again, I am sorry that I couldn't show you guys. However, this is the only way I could make this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you found it helpful, and I'll see you guys in another one.